Hi, it's Vincent Mancini, your Ironman Realtor, with my good buddy, Mr. Licorice. Your house shouldn't be a place where you just lay your head at night and eat food. It should be a place that enriches your life and makes you feel happier. Does your house do that? Well, if your home doesn't, here's a few tips that you could add to your house to enrich your life and make you feel better. Number one, air purifiers. Having a couple air purifiers in the home can help reduce allergens, promote better sleep, and starve off bacteria and viruses. How many you need and where they're placed will depend on your house layout and square footage. Number two, indoor gardens. Plants can bring a sense of calm to a space, and some can improve air quality as well. Having a countertop herb or vegetable garden can also make cooking delicious. And number three, a calm zone. Life can be hectic at times. Adding a calm zone, a peaceful retreat, a room for reading, meditating, listening to music. This can help your household deal with the stress in a healthy manner. You can include a cozy chair or a beanbag chair, blankets, a bookshelf. Headphones in this space will be awesome. And finally, organizational systems. Too much clutter can make it harder to find things and add stress to your life. Try installing smart organizational systems throughout your home, in cabinets, closets, or anywhere else you might need them. Well, reach out if you're ready to find that new home that can make you happier and healthier. I'm Vinny Mancini, your Ironman Realtor, and I go the distance for you.